welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you have already read the title, yes, it's a Too Faced product reviews. I have purchased a couple of products from them, so I really wanted it to review for you guys because I know it's not easy to just go ahead and invest your money in these luxury brands, and you need to be very sure before purchasing any product. So I did that job for you guys. Yes, I did that. I purchased the product from my own money. It's not a sponsored video in any way. So I've created this look which you can see right now with all those products, and I really like to know how the product performed. So yes, please continue watching this video. So yeah, before going, let me introduce myself to you guys. If you are new to my channel, then this is Samiksha Janeja. I do create videos on like beauty, fashion, food, or anything you want me to create on, then please comment it down below. Suggestions are always welcomed. I am looking forward for that. Really happy to talk to you guys. Like, I really can't tell you, like if I don't talk to you guys for like more than some time, then I just feel anxious. That's it. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So the first product I have with me, which is a freebie from Too Faced, is Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. Oh, let's see how does it performs. So it says that after using it, your makeup will look more radiant and your skin will be more hydrated. So let's see. It says appearance of a full night rest, like it will cover your beauty sleep if you haven't taken one. So that's how it looks. This is the sample bottle. I've taken it this much, and I'll quickly put it all over my face. It smells amazing, guys. I don't know what are the notes of it, but the smell is amazing. Yeah. So yes, it looks good to me, at least. Yeah, it looks fine. Now let's see how does it look after putting my base on it. So I'll quickly go and put my base over my face. So yes guys, I'm done with my base over here and it's done. I have baked my face, or like setted my concealer and my foundation as well, and I've also quickly done my brows. So yes, now we can move forward with the another item which I have with me is the Too Faced. This is the item. So yes guys, this is the packaging of it, and yes, it says that's my jam Too Faced On The Fly eyeshadow palette. Yeah, that's about it, and something is written in some other language which I cannot read right now for you guys. Yes, I've particularly gone for these set of colors because there were other options available. They were more towards the nude side, and I already have palettes for the nude. But yeah, so I just thought it will be better if we can go ahead with some kind of different pastel shades only. And yeah, it does contain one or two like different colors as in it contains like more like browns. One or two is there. Like, it comes with a mirror which is very handy and very useful. Like if you can't, like, let's be honest, we can't just sit in front of a big huge giant mirror and just do our makeup. Like, we do need closer look for like mirrors, and that we can adjust on different angles as well. Like, you can put it here, anywhere. So yes, so let's begin with the testing of the product. And it's blending very well. Like, I do not have to do like too much to blend it out. Guys, I'm done with my creasing, and this is how it looks. This one. So that's done. I've just kept it like towards my lashes only, like just like a liner, not like too much, because I didn't want to play with this color. Like, I believe if I would have kept it like towards my crease, more towards my crease, then it would have been a disaster. Could be like this is how I like my eye makeup look when I'm trying to blend like two very drastically different colors. Like one is more towards the brown side, other is towards the purple side, like that is the lavender one. So yes, that's how I like it, and I'm pretty much satisfied with this eye look, to be honest. I do not want to go ahead and add any kind of like sparkle to it right now. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment down below. Please let me know if you guys are also like me, who sometimes feel like playing with colors but do not add too many to it, so that it will be confusing. So let's go ahead with the lower eyeline. Always make sure, guys, like when you are like doing your lower eyeline, then always be a little light-handed, because it can go a little wrong as well. So I always try to be lighter hand. That's why I have grabbed my brush from this place, not from like the very near to the hair area. So yes, yeah, I feel like it looks nice. Like it was a great idea to add the sparkle art in the lower lash. Looks good to me. What do you guys think? How does it look? Let me just give you a closer sneak peek to my eye makeup look. So yes guys, what do you think about my eye makeup look? Does it justify? Do you like it? If you don't like it, then what is the stuff you don't like about it? I'm open towards criticism, but positive one. Looking forward to it. So I am pretty satisfied with my eye look, but this palette also contains the blush and the highlighter as well. It's right here. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, it's right here. This is the blush and this is the highlighter. So yeah, let me just quickly test out their blush as well. So yeah, this is also like, again, I feel like it's very pigmented. Let's just test it out. Oh yeah, it is. I believe a lot of product with this is going to be wasted in just dabbing off the excess one. But yeah, what can we do if we want? Trust me guys, in the camera it's being captured very less. Like even if I put more amount of it, it's going to be captured less. So that's why you need to do a little more to get captured on camera. Put it up. So the highlighter is also very beautiful. I am liking it. Like, I don't know about you guys, I do not always use the fan brush to put my highlighter. I am pretty much okay with these kind of brushes, which is like in between. They are like, yeah, I am pretty impressed with the highlighter as well, guys. I must say, like, yeah, it looks very good. Yeah, it looks very good. So I am very much satisfied with this palette, guys. So I highly recommend this one. You can go ahead and buy. It's more on the pricier side, I wouldn't deny. Too Faced is a luxury brand, so definitely it's on the pricier side. It costed me about like 3,000 bucks for this palette, and it's very tiny, good for travel as well. And yeah, but the primer was free. One more product which I have from the Too Faced is this mascara. This is a very famous mascara which is being used by every other influencer out there. So that's why I just thought, like, get my hand on a mini version of it. So it's Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. It's a waterproof mascara. It says 97% more voluminized, 94% dramatically thicker, and 97% intense length. So that's what it says. This is how it looks. It's Better Than Sex. It's good. I have tested it out once, like only once I've used it, but guys, trust me, it is to see how I am doing. It was difficult for me to look in the camera and just put on my mascara. And so as you guys can see, like yeah, this is more open, more wide and more voluminized, and it is a intense one. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. So yes guys, I am pretty satisfied with how it is. And let me just finish off my rest of the makeup look, put it on something, and we'll get back to you. Guys, that was it for today's video. If you guys like this look which I've created from by using all these Too Faced products, I really love each and every one of them. To be honestly, they have performed well for me and it was worth my money. If you feel the same, then please go ahead and check out the Nykaa website, or you can buy it from any other place as well. Sephora is always available and filled with all these luxury brands. So yeah, you can go ahead and do that. And yes, before leaving, you need to do one thing: like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to hit that notification bell icon. Please, 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 it would mean a world to me. And also I would also request you to share this video with everyone you feel like who can learn from it, or who can or even to show some love, even without any reason. You can do that. So yes, until my next video, toodles.